Yeah, Tower 1120 can do that, but we'd like to know what's the available runway from there.
Okay, Roger, standby. Break, Jamaica 2, expedite vacating.
Yep, we're in event 3 are here, brother.
Tower, if it helps the United, they can go straight for us. We'll go to number 3.
Viking 905 Delta Papa, yeah, are you then able intersection Foxtrot?
Yeah, we can take Foxtrot if the United needs full length.
Roger, break Qantas 6031, runway 21, clear for takeoff, wind variable 1 knot, expedite takeoff.
Clear takeoff runway 21, Qantas 6031.
And
Peter
Tower
47
1120
Charlie,
can take Foxtrot.
We'll carry 47 Charlie.
And Tower United 1120, we can accept Foxtrot.
1120 standby. And speedbird 47 Charlie, winds variable 1 knot, runway 21, cleared to land.
Clear to land, 31047 Charlie.
And Viking 905 Delta Papa, left turn Yankee, then Foxtrot, and United 1120, continue via Yankee. Jamaica 2, contact ground 1.905.